Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio. I'm excited. Today I'm making a video showing you our latest product release. This is the SeirenHD A2B8. It's our new 10-channel DSP for your new 23.5 and up Harley Davidson with A2B communication. This is going to allow you to replace that factory amp and do an amazing system with any amp you want. So watch the video to find out more about our latest product. All right, so at Volunteer Audio, we are pioneers in the Harley audio field. And when it comes to A2B communication, we were by far the first to come up with an amazing interface to allow you to remove that factory amplifier. Whether you have the base model or CVO amp, they're very lacking in power. And we came up with a way to digitally take that signal from the radio and create a great source for your amplifier. Since then, we've only made things better. As retailers, installers, and manufacturers, we know what you're going to go through when you install, and we have the best components and the best way to upgrade your bike. Our latest offering, this new HD A2B8, 8 signifies we have 8 analog RCA out. So now we have 8 channels of DSP connectivity to your analog amps. But on top of that, we can communicate digitally to the factory HD audio by Rockford amp for the drop-in subwoofers. Yes, that means we can actually maintain the factory Harley add-on subwoofers plus replace the fairing amp, and we can do multiple amps at that. So now we have full DSP tuning ability on our 8 outputs for the analog and the 2 digital channels for the sub. You can control high pass and low pass filters, band pass, full EQ for each channel, time alignment. It has so much availability of adjustment. No other DSP is going to be needed in your bike. But on top of that, completely plug and play. Simply unplug that original amp, plug in our connection. We've actually lengthened our RCAs to plug directly into your new amp turn-on wire, and we give you full access to all the factory speaker wires without having to cut or modify the bike in any way. This keeps you from voiding your warranty. It gives you a super clean digital input for the best sound in your new amplifier and speakers, and the ability to tune it to perfection. Now we're also offering a bunch of additional harnesses. You'll see that on our website when you go to purchase this. We offer the under seat harness. Factory already have speaker wires ran under the seat. So we have a harness that pins there. It's going to give you a tour pack connection and lid disconnect connection. We also offer those harnesses, all plug and play, and even lower speaker connections as well. You'll find that at volunteeraudio.com, but let's talk a little bit more about what we have in this interface. Again, 8 full channels of output. Now, when you buy the interface in a universal mode, we're going to have it preset. We're going to already have it where that EQ in the factory radio no longer has that bass boost. We've tuned the input that's going to go into your amp to have a flat signal with full ability to use all the factory presets. We maintain auto speed volume, and now we retain factory amplifiers like those with the drop-in subwoofers. But if you want to go beyond that, once you get this from us and you connect up your amp, you can go into software and you can turn on high-pass filters to protect bass from your speakers that you've installed, or even set low-pass filters to only send bass to your subwoofers as you add those. So much adjustability between time alignment and a full 31-band parametric EQ for every channel independently. Now, if that's too much for you, we also have, if that's above your and beyond your ability, we have presets for some of the top brands in motorcycle audio, and we're adding more continually. Currently, we have presets for Hertz Audio, for Velocity, and Extreme Audio. We're working with some other manufacturers. Shortly, we'll release the names of those and have those presets as well. All right, and coming soon, we've got a totally new technology for the motorcycle world. Our DSP is going to have the ability to be auto-tuned. So all of our hardware is future ready, and we're working hard to release these new features to you as available. But for now, you have full DSP tuning ability, full preset ability to just install your amp, and watch our next video because I'm going to show you just how easy this is to connect to any aftermarket amplifier and add to your Harley Davidson. We're excited about this. It's going to be shipping the first week of July. Go to volunteeraudio.com. We're also going to be running a sale for the entire month of July on our new 8-channel interface. So you need to go there now, get that thing purchased, and we'll be shipping it out to you shortly. All right, so thank you for watching our video. If you want to know more about the latest in Harley audio, you need to subscribe to Volunteer Audio on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. We'll keep you up to date with the latest as it comes out. We'll also show you how to use it, and we'll also show you how to install it. So once you've made that purchase, you can do it the right way the first time. And to buy your interface today, just click the link above or go to volunteeraudio.com to see everything we have available. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.